Welcome to the beautiful city of Paris. I'm here with the ESA astronaut from Belgium, Frank de Winne, and we're here on the occasion of the IPC meetings. The IPC meetings decide the agenda for the forthcoming IEC in Prague. Does the public interest in the lives of astronauts get in the way of doing the job?
Well, it's of course part of our job to talk about the space programs, to talk about our missions, to talk about why space is interesting for Europe, for the humanity in general, and that's part of our job. So yes, of course we have a public life, but we are used to that, and we just need to find the right balance between the public life, communicating with the public, and our personal life, and also the job that we need to do. But I must say that in ESA, our European Space Agency, we are quite successful in doing that.
Do you enjoy the public side of your role?
The public side of my role is of course always enjoyable if you come in front of an enthusiastic audience. Only last evening I was in the University of Brussels talking to 350 people from all ages, small kids to older people, for an engineering conference, and it's just inspiring to see how enthusiastic these people respond to the life that we have in space, the job that we are doing, and of course it's necessary to keep doing that.
Mm-hmm. And inspiring young people, I guess, is a wonderful thing to work in the space industry and just generally to ferment an interest in space.
Inspiring young people is one of the main tasks as well of the European astronauts, because of course they are our future. Not only do we need them for the space industry itself, but in general Europe needs a lot of young scientists, engineers to build on its future. Our future is in technology, is in innovation, and for that we need to form a lot of these new young people, and we miss them for the moment. So inspiring them and attracting a lot of new young people to this kind of careers, scientific careers, medical careers, engineering careers, is really important, and it's one of the main tasks of the European astronaut.
You're also, additionally, being an astronaut, a goodwill ambassador to UNICEF, and I was fascinated to hear the kids from Mali talking to you while you were up in the space station last year. Is that an important part of your work and your mission?
I think it's an important part of any ESA astronaut not to just convey this message to our European public, but also to the public at large and to humanity at large. Human spaceflight by excellence is an endeavor, it's a human endeavor that should encompass the entire globe. And therefore it's important that we not only talk to our European partners, but also to the entire society out there, and especially Africa. It's a very defavorized continent for the moment, so we need to inspire also there the young people that they can achieve great things, that they can move forward with their continent, and it's also therefore that ESA and Europe has a whole conference planned at the end of this year between ESA, the EU, and what we can bring with our space assets for Africa.
You were asked last night in your talk in Brussels if you were going to Mars, but what are your future plans?
My future plans are not immediately to fly to Mars, because I think we still need to develop a lot of technology to be able to go there. For the moment I'm talking a lot about my spaceflight experience, conveying the message to the big public. I'm still busy as well with the science activities of the spaceflight, because that's also an important part, is the utilization of the International Space Station, and I'm still busy with that, and this will bring me through the summer, and then hopefully I can take some holidays, and as from September I hope to continue to support the ESA human spaceflight programs.
Do you think you'll fly again? Have you got plans to go back to the space station?
Well, as an active astronaut we always need to be ready to fly again, and of course if I would be asked I would be very happy to fly again to space. But we now have 6 new astronauts that we have recruited in our European Space Agency. They have started training last year, they will be finished with their basic training this year, and I think by the time that the new time slots become available for them to fly in 2013, 2014, they should be fully ready to fly, and I'm more than happy to support them in their future endeavors.
Thank you very much, Frank.
Thank you.